Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 300. This bike is so great looking. It's a nice, lightweight, great bike for a new rider or someone with a shorter inseam. 300cc, liquid-cooled, twin-cylinder, fuel injection, sport bike. This bike is only $39.99. It just has 8,100 miles. We're going to put a brand new back tire on it for you. Come by, check it out. It's been checked out in our service department. Everything beautifully, works beautifully, super clean. Only $39.99. Save $1,000 over the price of a new one. Come by, check it out. We have financing available, extended service contract. 2013 Ninja 300. Just 8,174 miles. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.